Guys, do you know what is this? Guys, this is Superman. Wow, guys, this is Superman. Guys, this is Superman. What a cute and very handsome superhero Superman. Wow, amazing. Guys, this is Deadpool. Wow, what an amazing and very nice superhero Spiderman. Guys, this is Batman. Wow, what a cute and very handsome superhero. Wow, amazing. Guys, this is very mini superhero Batman. Wow, amazing. Wow. Wow, what a cute and very happy new superhero Ultraman. Guys, this is Spiderman. Wow, what a cute and very handsome superhero. Guys, this is the superhero Zorro friend Batman. Wow. Guys, this is mini Batman. Wow, amazing. Guys, this is the mini superhero Zorro friend Thor. Wow, amazing. Guys, check the tattoo of this superhero backside. And guys, this is Superman. Wow. Wow, what a cute and very handsome superhero Brock Lesnar. Wow, amazing guys.